The heart and soul of any good sauce is a good stock. So today I'll be showing you how to make a chicken stock. I've got some carcasses. See that we've got some like boned out chicken. If you want to watch that video, just click the link. I'm going to first start off by heating my pan. That's to brown off my chicken a little bit. And then I'm going to start off with some vegetables. And the vegetables are cloche. You've got carrots, leeks, onions, celery, and a few herbs. The base of any good soup or stock. Start off with a little bit of oil in the pan. Start off with a little bit of oil in the pan. I'm just going to use some sunflower oil, but you can use whatever you fancy. And then I'm going to get these carcasses on the go. Give them a bit of colour. And then the vegetables, you don't have to chop them up super fine. Just basically, you can even leave the skins on as long as the vegetables are nice and clean. I'm just going to cut them into 1 centimetre chunks. So I'm using spring onions because I couldn't find any leeks. There we go. Yum, yum, yum. Same with the onion. If you don't mind that your stock's a little bit brown, you can actually leave the skin on. Gives it a little bit of extra flavour and also a little bit of extra colour. So I'll just cut them into quarters. And then probably need about, what is it, 1/8 of celeriac. I'm just leaving everything on. Herbs are bay leaves, thyme, rosemary, all your hardy herbs. And then I like to use a little bit of peppercorns. Like that. Let's give it a whiz round with the spoon. You see all these gnarly bits that's down here? I'm not sure whether you can see that. See all this? This is pure flavour. If you don't want the roasted chicken stock, then basically just put it in all together and then your liquid on top. So what I'm now going to do, it's got a bit of the flavour created here. So I'll put probably about a glass of wine in there. This gives a nice sourness to it. And then just top it up with some water. And that's it. I'll leave this for about 4 hours minimum, just to do its thing, just tickling over, and all the flavours will become one. Now, thanks very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've liked it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Until the next time.
Yeah.